can't believe it's like it's like literally the first day of the new year. And everything's already so frustrating. I think I'd be a lot happier if, like, for once, something went my way. It doesn't have to be like a big thing. It could be like something really minute, just so that I can get through the day, you know? It's always so frustrating. What the heck am I doing?